Survival gear is more than just equipment. It's your lifeline when venturing into the wild or preparing for emergencies. Whether you're tackling harsh outdoor conditions or planning for unforeseen events, having the right tools can make all the difference. With countless options available, it can be tricky to choose the essentials. That's why we've curated the 10 must-have survival gear and gadgets on Amazon for 2025. From cutting-edge gadgets to versatile tools, these picks are designed to keep you safe, prepared, and ready for anything. Let's dive into the ultimate gear lineup for survival enthusiasts. Step into the wild with the Tops Knives Modern Gladius, a rugged blade that blends the spirit of ancient warriors with the demands of modern adventurers. Designed by the experts at Smoky Mountain Knife Works, this versatile knife is built to conquer the great outdoors. Forged from 3/16 1095 steel with a black traction coating, its double-edged Tonta-style blade is perfect for piercing, slicing, and tackling tough wilderness tasks. Fullers on each side enhance balance, while the tan canvas micarta handle provides a secure grip, even in rugged conditions. At 11.38 inches overall, this compact Gladius is ready for action wherever your adventures lead. Complete with a durable black Kydex sheath and a leather dangler, it's made for easy carry through trails or campsites. Whether braving the backcountry or honing survival skills, the modern Gladius ensures every cut counts. Step into any mission or adventure with the Garmin Tactix 7, a military-inspired smartwatch engineered to thrive in extreme conditions. Its rugged 1.4-inch always-on solar-powered display, protected by a sapphire lens and black DLC-coated bezel, ensures unmatched durability. The touchscreen and button controls provide seamless access to tactical tools like Jumpmaster mode, stealth mode, and a kill switch to safeguard sensitive data. Explore uncharted territories with preloaded topographic maps, ski maps, and multi-GNSS support for precise navigation. Whether you're projecting waypoints or training with endurance metrics, the Tactix 7 offers over 30 sports apps to meet your demands. For precision shooting, its applied ballistics calculator becomes a game-changing ally in tactical operations. With up to 37 days of solar-charged battery life, advanced health monitoring, and elite tactical navigation, the Garmin Tactix 7 is the ultimate smartwatch for adventurers and professionals alike. Gear up for unmatched performance wherever your journey takes you. The Gerber GDC Money Clip Pocket Knife is a sleek multi-tool that pairs modern design with practical functionality. Crafted from titanium-coated steel, its slim profile houses a 1.75-inch stainless steel blade, offering utility without compromising style. The G10 front plate adds a durable, textured grip, while the built-in finger slot and serrated thumb rest ensure secure handling during use. Not just a knife, this innovative tool doubles as a money clip, with space for up to 5 cards. Its compact dimensions 3.6 inches in length and weighing only 2.9 ounces make it a seamless addition to your camping, hiking, or everyday carry essentials. The blade stays protected in the clip sheath, ensuring safety and readiness wherever you go. Backed by Gerber's lifetime warranty, the GDC Money Clip is an indispensable piece of gear for adventurers and urban explorers alike, blending utility with effortless portability. Engineered for rugged adventures, the FireFast Trekker is a reliable, waterproof fire starter designed to thrive in the harshest outdoor conditions. Whether you're tackling bushcraft, camping, or survival scenarios, its military-grade design ensures you're always prepared. The Austrian-made ferro rod delivers thousands of blazing sparks, while the 96% pure magnesium rod produces intense heat for quick ignition. Even in extreme weather, the hardened steel striker pairs perfectly with the rod, and the hardwood handle provides a secure grip in freezing or wet conditions. Scrape the handle for emergency tinder, adding versatility to your kit. Completing the package, the included 550 lb paracord, crafted by a certified U.S. contractor, offers strength and utility when you need it most. At just 4.5 ounces and 6.5 inches, the FireFast Trekker packs durability and efficiency into a compact, go-anywhere tool. When it's time to light up your adventure, Trust the trekker to get the job done. Tackle any mission with the 5.11 or US H7 to 2.0 backpack, a 55-liter workhorse designed for extended expeditions, tactical operations, or emergency prep. Constructed from tough 1050D nylon, this pack handles the toughest conditions while keeping your gear secure and accessible. Loaded with features, it includes a hidden CCW pocket, a padded laptop sleeve for 15-inch devices, and dual top pockets for rapid access to essentials. Its mall webbing and 5.11 center line design offer endless customization, letting you adapt to any situation. With a fleece-lined eyewear pocket and a rear hydration compartment, comfort and convenience come standard. From multi-day treks to tactical deployments, their US H7 to 2.0 blends durability with versatility, ensuring your gear stays organized and ready for action. Whether you're braving the wild or prepping for the unexpected, this backpack is the ultimate companion for those who demand reliability. From field operations to urban explorations, the Response XR1 Headlamp delivers unmatched illumination for demanding scenarios. Designed for hands-free efficiency, it's your go-to tool for navigating low-visibility environments or performing critical tasks like SSE. With a 1000 lumen peak output in spot mode, this headlamp ensures powerful brightness for up to 2 hours. Switch to flood mode, which delivers 6 hours of reliable light. The integrated red cob element preserves night vision while minimizing your visibility in dark settings, making it ideal for stealth operations. Built tough, the aluminum body withstands rugged use, while the elastic headband ensures comfort. Its detachable design transforms it into a right-angle light, perfect for direct focus or clipping to gear. Lightweight, durable, and versatile, the Response XR1 is crafted for those who demand efficiency and reliability in every adventure. Prepare for any outdoor challenge with the Professional Camping Survival Kit, a must-have for hiking, camping, fishing, and adventurous expeditions. This comprehensive kit combines a spacious 4.5L tactical backpack with a full array of high-quality survival tools to keep you secure and prepared in any wilderness scenario. Crafted from durable, waterproof 900D Oxford cloth and nylon, the backpack features multiple compartments. 2 large to small front and 1 back, providing ample space to organize your gear. Inside, you'll find an arsenal of essentials, a multifunctional axe, 3-mode flashlight, folding saw, paracord, emergency blanket, fire-starting tools, fishing supplies, and more. The kit also includes a premium first aid kit equipped with bandages, scissors, tweezers, and everything needed to handle emergencies. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts or as a thoughtful gift for family and friends, this survival kit ensures you're ready for any adventure. Stay safe, prepared, and confident wherever your journey takes you. The Gerber Pack Camping Hatchet is the perfect companion for rugged outdoor adventures. Its 3.5-inch black oxide-coated steel blade delivers corrosion resistance and lasting sharpness, while the tall grind edge ensures precise cutting performance. Designed for strength and stability, the full tang construction is complemented by an ergonomic rubber grip handle with finger grooves for enhanced comfort and control, even in challenging conditions. Compact and lightweight at 9.46 inches long and 20.8 ounces, this hatchet is ideal for camping, hiking, and survival tasks. Its removable nylon sheath easily mounts to your pack or belt, keeping it accessible on the go. A built-in lanyard hole adds an extra layer of portability and secure storage options. From chopping wood to preparing campfire kindling, the Gerber Pack Camping Hatchet is built to excel in every outdoor scenario. Backed by Gerber's trusted craftsmanship, this tool is an essential addition to any survival kit or toolbox. Stay connected anywhere with the Garmin inReach Mini 2, a compact and lightweight satellite communicator designed for adventurers. Offering two-way messaging and interactive SOS capabilities, it ensures global communication even in remote areas. With track-back routing, you can navigate back to your starting point effortlessly, while the digital compass provides precise heading information even when stationary. Share your journey with loved ones via your map share page or embed coordinates in messages, providing peace of mind for those back home. Pair it with the Garmin Explore app for trip planning, topographical mapping, and waypoint creation, keeping you prepared for any adventure. Compatible with other Garmin wearables and handheld devices, the Mini 2 lets you send messages or trigger an SOS with ease. Boasting 14 days of battery life in 10-minute tracking mode and a water-resistant build, the inReach Mini 2 is your ultimate tool for safe and connected exploration. Illuminate your outdoor adventures with this bright and dimmable LED camping lantern. Featuring 30 high-performance LED bulbs, it delivers up to 154 lumens of 360 light, making it an essential tool for emergencies, camping, or power outages. With an easy-to-use collapsible design, you can adjust the brightness to suit any situation by simply expanding or compressing the lantern. Designed for portability, this lightweight lantern fits easily into your backpack, ensuring it's always ready for your next adventure. Powered by 3 AA batteries, it offers an impressive 50 hours of runtime, making it reliable for extended trips or emergency preparedness. Built from durable ABS material, the lantern is water-resistant and tough enough to handle drops, ensuring dependable performance in harsh conditions. For added convenience, the lantern includes a built-in storage compartment for small essentials like spare batteries or keys. Practical, durable, and efficient, this lantern is your perfect outdoor companion.